Thank you for your interest in the Health Information Technology program at Oakton College. This information session is going to cover the Health Information Technology field, the program at Oakton College, the admission requirements, and the application process. The program chair for the Health Information Technology program is Hannah. She can be reached at 847-635-1695. My name is Jennifer Crowley. I'm the Senior Health Career Advisor at Oakton. You can reach me at jcrowley@oakton.edu. I advise for multiple programs at Oakton, so if at the end of this session you realize that maybe you'd like to explore other health career options, you can email me to learn more about all that Oakton offers in health careers. Let's learn about the health information technology field. So what is health information technology? It's a profession where you manage patient health information for hospitals or other healthcare facilities and healthcare practitioners. This can include coding diagnoses and procedures for reimbursement, quality, and research. Other duties might include ensuring the completeness and accuracy of those health records. What does an HIT do? A registered health information technician, an RHIT, also referred to as an HIT, is a professional who's trained to work in all aspects of health information management. The program includes knowing all the laws and regulations that apply to the release and management of health information. You're learning the procedures for health record processing, detailed medical coding, which includes ICD-10 and CPT coding, reimbursement methodologies, and compliance issues, as well as management of health information and quality improvement. Health careers require credentialing to work in the field. So you would become a registered health information technician after you complete your degree at Oakton. This is an RHIT credential that's a national certification or credential that's awarded by AHIMA, or the American Health Information Management Association. The RHIT is awarded after graduating with an associate degree from an accredited HIT program and passing the RHIT exam. There are a set of essential skills that you would need to be successful both in the program and in the field. Communication, demonstrating interpersonal skills to interact with doctors, healthcare workers, patients, families, and coworkers. Conducting extended interpersonal professional conversation and dialogues, as well as participating in team discussions and project work. Articulating ideas and communicating information clearly and appropriately in verbal, written, and digital formats. Physical essential skills include spending extended periods of time sitting quietly while focusing on tasks and work, independently taking extensive notes in order to follow necessary instructions and complete assigned tasks, independently following a detailed sequence of steps and tasks in order to complete assigned work, and viewing computer screens for long periods of time. Emotional and psychological essential skills may include coping in an appropriate manner to common job-related stressful situations, exhibiting flexibility in response to shifting priorities, and displaying a courteous and professional manner through interaction, appearance, and attitude. This begins when you start any health career program at Oakton, as many of our faculty still work in the health career field of their specialty. Employment opportunities and salaries for health information technology employment are hospitals, healthcare facilities, long-term healthcare, ambulatory surgery centers, insurance companies, electronic health record or software vendors, physician offices, billing companies, and more. The Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates an average median salary of $46,660 per year. Now, these are listed national salaries and they are subject to change, and salaries can differ in the Chicagoland area. You can visit bls.gov for current information. So let's learn about the HIT program at Oakton. The program at Oakton is a limited enrollment career program, which means there is an admission and application process that must be met before students are eligible for an interview. The program is offered part-time fully online or full-time hybrid, where some classes are offered at the Des Plaines campus and some classes are offered online. The full-time program begins every August and runs for 2 years or 5 semesters. The part-time program begins every August and runs for 2.5 years or 7 semesters. Both programs are 61 credit hours. The curriculum combines academic, technical, and clinical areas. It prepares students to take that RHIT credential to work in the field and find employment anywhere where health information is used. Because it's an associate degree, there are 19 hours of general education requirements that includes anatomy and physiology, and there are 41 hours of HIT major requirements, which includes learning coding systems, medical terminology and science, management, legal, supervision, reimbursement, healthcare and health statistics, encoding software, electronic health records, and a professional practice experience at a healthcare facility. In the last semester of the program, students go out to a clinical placement or a professional practice experience. This is where you learn on-site, on-the-job training at your clinical placement or PPE. For students that do the hybrid program, this clinical placement can be on-site. And for those that do the remote part-time program, it is a virtual clinical assignment. Locations are generally within a 50-mile radius of the Des Plaines campus, though some can be more than 50 miles away. We cannot guarantee a close-to-home assignment, and students are responsible for their own transportation. We do have a variety of PPE settings, which include hospitals, outpatients, or virtual labs, and they cannot be done at a place of current or former employment. Because many of our students do also work, we ask that you coordinate your travel time and time off of work so that you can complete your PPE requirements. And this is a requirement that you must complete to graduate the program and take your credentialing. Our clinical contracts also mandate additional requirements for you to attend your clinical. The clinicals require a clear criminal background check, a clear drug screen, evidence of satisfactory health clearance, which includes immunity to certain types of diseases like rubella, rubeola, Hep B, and Tdap, as well as vaccinations, which include flu and COVID, a health exam or other vaccinations as required, evidence of training completion such as HIPAA training, bloodborne pathogen, or CPR. We do have a health services office that will walk you through many of these requirements once you're accepted into the program. So let's talk about the minimum requirements and admission process for the program. Minimum requirements to get into the HIT program at Oakton College are 1 year of high school biology or 1 semester of college biology or equivalent with a minimum grade of C within the last 5 years. Proof of English 101 course or placement into English 101 on Oakton's English placement test. Math 085 or Math 095 with a minimum grade of C, or placement into Math 085 or Math 95. The English placement and Math placement can be taken at Oakton's Testing Center for free, and placement testing can be done either on-site or virtually. Additional requirements include high school or GED transcripts and college transcripts. If you have 20 hours of U.S. college credit, you can elect to waive your high school or GED transcripts. This is for the HIT program only. If you do plan on applying for financial aid, you would still be required to submit high school or GED transcripts. If you were educated outside of the United States, you would submit your foreign high school or college transcripts to Educational Perspectives. They would evaluate your transcripts, and that evaluation would be submitted to Oakton. You would request a catalog match. It is a limited enrollment application process, whether you are new to Oakton or you've been an Oakton student before. New students would apply visiting our website at oakton.edu/apply. If you're a current Oakton student, you would log in through your My Oakton account, click on the blue button that says Submit New Application. You would select limited enrollment, the fall term, and health information technology would be one of the options to select. Once you submit your application, you would be directed towards your admission checklist, where you would submit all of the documentation required. This might include high school transcripts, college transcripts, or proof of residency. You would then complete your minimum requirements for admission. If you're uncertain if your sciences are within the time frame required for the program, you could always meet with an advisor to review your transcripts. Once your application is submitted and your checklist is complete and you've met all of your minimum requirements, you would receive communication inviting you to an interview with the program chair. The application and checklist must be complete before you're invited to the interview. Now, if you've reviewed this information session and you realize that maybe the health information technology field is not for you, that maybe it's just not a good fit. As you can see, Oakton has 16 programs currently offered, many certificates, and several associate and applied science degrees. Some are fully online, some also do clinical training on site, some are as short as 1 semester, and some run for 2 to 2.5 years. You can visit oakton.edu Health Careers to find out more about each of our health career programs, or you can scan the QR code to learn more. Thank you for your time and interest in health careers at Oakton.
If you are interested in starting this program but have not met the minimum requirements, the Office of Admission can help you start a general application so you can start working on your prerequisites. If you are still on the fence about starting this program, I'd like to share just a few reasons why you might choose to pursue a health career. Health careers at Oakton have a great reputation in the community. There's a lot of hands-on experience, which is greatly desired by job recruiters as a person enters the workforce. The other great feature of the healthcare programs at Oakton College is the cohort system. You start as a group. You get to meet and connect with people with similar goals. You, as an Oakton student, have both staff and peers as a great source of support. We know that there are several schools to choose from to obtain your education, and we are glad you are considering Oakton. To support your decision, here are a few reasons why Oakton might be the best fit for you. First and foremost, Oakton College has quality education at a fraction of the cost. Our tuition is $136.25 per credit hour for our in-district students. The tuition for online classes is the same rate, plus a $50 fee for the course. You can check the District 535 map on our website to see if you live in Oakton College's district, or you can contact one of the admission team members. Secondly, Oakton College offers multiple certificate and degree programs to cater to the specific needs of students. Moreover, Oakton's quality faculty bring in real-life experiences that help students in small class sizes. Oakton College offers limitless student resources such as tutoring, athletics, the wellness center, social clubs, and much more to help students not only make connections, but also help them to be successful in their college career at Oakton. We would love to have you join the Oakton College Health Careers program. Again, if you have not met the minimum requirements for your program, or if you have questions about admission requirements or your application, please contact the admission team at the email address admission@oakton.edu. You can also contact one of the admission officers that are listed on the screen. Thank you.